There's not much to do when all I can.
I come over my channel. If you are watching me for the first time and if you're a returning subscriber, so now let's meal prep. I bought this fish for less than 40 Ghana cedis. I had to take the scale off and put it in the fridge. I proceeded to make my pineapple and orange juice. I took the skin of the pineapple, then I blended it with the same water that I used to boil the pineapple skin. Yes, after grinding it, I added my juiced oranges, and note, I didn't add the chaff of the pineapple to it. Then I poured it into this nice jar that I got from Melcom. Yes, it was so nice. So I proceeded to make a biscuit that I saw online. They said it's called a butter biscuit. So this biscuit took me about an hour because I didn't have that thingy that they used to mix the butter and the sugar together. I then measured the flour. Yes, I spilled some when I was sieving. Yes, as you can see, added my nutmeg, then my baking powder, and I continued to whisk this thing. So I added 2 ideal milk sachet. Yes, I had to spill it again. Yes, I have to spill something. Yes, it's not me if I don't spill something. So I'll link the recipe below so that you go and watch. This biscuit was so easy to make and it was so fast. It's baked so fast. After everything, you have to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes before you bake. I liked it so much because it was brown. It cooled for a while on the baking sheet before I transferred it onto this tray. Now I proceeded to make a bunu. I cooked my snail. After that, I washed my contomere with vinegar. Then I boiled it in addition to corn susa, then pepper and tomatoes. After that, I washed my smoked fish that I used in sour and adjoining to make this plus my snail. I washed the snail thoroughly to take all the dirt off. I pour my ground pepper, garlic and ginger on top, added a little bit of salt, make it cook for a while. After that, I grinded my contomere and the rest and poured it on it. This is how bunu is made. Added a little bit of salt, made it cook very well whilst I was stirring. After that, I poured it into this bowl. I proceeded to make my contomere stew. I made it the local way because I didn't want anything to interfere with the taste of the contomere when it's made locally. So I had to grind everything in my asanka. If you use the blender, you wouldn't get that rough texture that you want. So I grounded everything in my asanka. After that, I dished it off the asanka into this bowl. Then I made a little bit of oil plus my kobe and I poured it on it the local way, mixed everything together. I didn't stew this. Let's make a tour. I have a recipe on a tour on this channel. I'll just link it down below. It's so quick and easy. So I'll just montage this out because I have a recipe. It's me again. I just remembered with this recipe I already added the peanuts to it because I was going to eat it throughout the week, but the other one I didn't add the peanut because I wasn't going to eat it throughout the week. I traveled before I ate it. Now on to the next meal. I proceeded to make my fufu because I was starving and I wanted to take fufu with my bunu. So you just put your cassava and cocoyam on fire, but before that you have to boil the water before you put it in and add a little bit of salt, then you are good to go. After boiling, I just separated the yam from the cocoyam to make it cool for a while. So I use this vegetable and whatever grinder to make my fufu. I started with the cocoyam first. After that, I added my cassava. I put the two together, then I pounded it in this asanka, making it so nice. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.